Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer content with Squarespace easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your Squarespace account. Choose the website you want to work on. Navigate to the settings menu on the left sidebar. Click on Advanced to access more options. Select Import/Export to begin the transfer process. If you're importing content from another platform, click Import. Choose the type of content you'd like to import. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect to your other platform. Once connected, select the specific content you want to transfer. Confirm your selection and wait for the import to finish. If you're exporting content from your current Squarespace site, click Export. Choose the format in which you want to export your content. Click on Export and the file will be generated. Download the exported file to your computer. Now, if you're transferring specific pages or blog posts, go to the Pages section. Select the page you want to edit. Copy the content directly from the Squarespace editor. Open your new site or platform. Paste the copied content into the desired location. Repeat this process for each page or post you wish to transfer. After all content is transferred, double-check for any formatting issues. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure everything looks right. Finally, publish your new website once you're satisfied with the content transfer. This completes your tutorial on transferring content with Squarespace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.